Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to enable HTML emails in IONOS Webmail. First thing I want you to do is just log in to your IONOS Webmail dashboard and actually come at the top right, click on this gear cog, okay? And then what I want you to do, I want you to click on all settings right here and under email from the left-hand panel, right? I want you to scroll down until you see advanced settings section. And I can click on this arrow. It will reveal another set of options. So scroll down again until you see this one right here. Okay, at the very top, it should show you allow displaying HTML formatted email messages under reading. So this one, just make sure it's toggled on and the settings actually get applied automatically. So you can close this now. And that is how to enable HTML emails in IONOS Webmail.